Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the BMW R90 Urban GS, which is a 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Bburago. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This BMW R90 Urban GS replica comes in a clamshell window type box, which is the standard boxing by Bburago. And as you can see, bang in the middle is the Bburago logo alongside with the name of this model, which is the BMW R90 Urban GS, and on this bottom corner of the box you will see the Bburago branding alongside with the scale of this model, which is a 1/18 scale, along with the Italian design branding, which is pretty much the same on the top, the sides and on the back as well. And finally, at the bottom of the box you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that I've done an exclusive unboxing of the 1/18 scale BMW R90 Scrambler edition, of which I'll drop the link in the description, so go check it out if you're interested and let me know what you think in the comments below. And with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which is the standard with the Bburago motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this model comes with a black chassis with a white and blue color scheme with some simplistic yet stunning graphics. And this replica comes with a steerable front fork that comes with a well-detailed cafe racer style headlight unit, along with a pair of front turn signals and a speedometer. And these components seamlessly flow into a handlebar with a pair of black hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers. Moving down is a white enduro style front fender that wraps around a beautiful chrome spoke style wheel and a rubber tire with dual silver disc brake units. So moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in white with the BMW logo, along with the simplistic two-tone blue decals that are prominent on both sides. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed box engine sculpt, which is in black and silver with a single exhaust, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out. And talking about the seat, it's a double-seater which is in a shade of red that really contrasts with this R90 Urban GS replica. The rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a brake light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate that is mounted to the rear fender. And just to mention, the rear wheel has quite a bit of suspension, unlike the front, which is rigid, and this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 1/18 scale motorcycle specs. And before we go ahead, let's take a look at the BMW R90 Urban GS edition alongside with the BMW R90 Scrambler edition. And please do let me know which one of these BMW diecast replicas are your favorites in the comments below. And by the looks of it, all I can say is that both these models are amazing and unique in their own way, and all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the BMW R90 Urban GS, and I'm glad I got this variation to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you're a BMW enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy links for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed R90 Urban GS replica on the Dnation Dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this BMW diecast replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the BMW R90 Urban GS coming up. The BMW R90 Urban GS is a motorcycle from the vehicle manufacturer BMW. The higher-lying roadster, unclad except for the lamp mask, with a deliberate off-road appearance, was presented on November 10, 2016 at the EICMA Motorcycle Fair in Milan. The motorcycle is largely based on the BMW R90 Scrambler, and like all models in the R series with the boxer engine, is finally assembled at the BMW plant in Berlin in Spandau, and sales started at the beginning of 2017. BMW is marketing the motorcycle within its heritage product range and described it as a homage to the beginnings of GS. The white paintwork on the fuel tank in combination with the tank deco in two shades of blue and the light red seat are based on the motorsport colors of BMW. The letter R in the 4-part sales designation identifies all BMW motorcycles with the 2-cylinder boxer engine. The made-up word for the English number nineT instead of the correct spelling nineT was introduced in 2013 to mark the 90th anniversary of bmwmotorad. Urban is the head word for urbanity, and the letter combination GS has stood for terrain and road since 1980. And for further information on the BMW R90 Urban GS, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing BMW Urban GS replica, I dropped the best buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing BMW diecast replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.